Hello guys, long time. We have an emergency situation and I think it's deserves its own video. Let's go. So we have a rescue mission right now. I think there is a bird fell down in the ventilation, so we'll try to take it out. Can you hear that?
Закрой дверь, пожалуйста, чтобы она не вылетела, блядь. Ну да.
Let's start. I hope it will not fly into my face.
Это крыса. Может, он там живет?
It's a big one. Hello, birdie. Oh, poor bird.
Yeah.
It's here.
Clearly.
Hello. No, I think we'll just wait. And maybe she will come out.
Блядь, прилетела пизда, сейчас ебанешь все, на в коробку туда. Ой.
Просто кинь на нее тряпку.
Так, это все, тряпка не тяжелая, не ждать. Ой, ёбаный в рот, а куда ж ты?
Залазь ты.
Сучья жопа. Да залезь ты сюда. Иди.
Печенька, телефон.
Помогите.
Иди сюда.
Пусть она разъебется. Ты насильно не шамкай. Ты такой плакал, ты сюда не забежал.
I think you are safe now.
Без хвоста, блядь.
You can
Аккуратно,
go.
да посади на кусты. Ну, вахаешь.
Bye-bye.
Что за...
She will be okay. So, as you may tell, everything went pretty smooth. The bird saved, and yeah, for those of you who my long-time subscriber, we are now living in Portugal. We moved almost 2 years ago, and a lot of things happened. I think when I will have time, and yeah, I think I will do the separate video about our new home and about our new life, and we have a lot of things, a lot of new things, and a lot of happening in our life. So yeah, maybe see you in the next videos. Maybe soon. See you guys.